Hello, this is Gail Gates. Let's learn the difference between an oleander plant and a viburnum plant, just so you know the right plant for your yard. The oleander is poisonous to pets and humans. As well, the viburnum, it'll only make you sick. There are over 150 different varieties of viburnum, but there's only about 2 varieties of oleander. Oleander grows in zone 9, which is very warm, up to zone 11, which is even warmer. But viburnum, it can grow as cold as zone 2 and then up to zone 9. So it's more versatile. Both grow in full sun, but the viburnum can also grow in partial sun.